In this video, we are going to see the live demonstration of wire cut EDM. Wire cut EDM is a non-traditional process which utilizes electrical discharge to remove the material. Here, wire of very small diameter ranging from 0.1 to 0.35 mm is used. Wire is usually made of copper, brass and tungsten whose electrical conductivity is quite high. It removes material by generating electric spark between a thin wire and electrode. Extremely high temperature around 8000 to 12,000 degrees Celsius is generated to vaporize the material. Here dielectric liquid is used which serves the functions, insulates, enabling the controlled electrical discharge, ionize, forming a conductive path, dissipating heat, preventing overheat of wire and workpiece. This dielectric is also flushes away the molten material. Normally dielectric used are deionized water, hydrocarbon oil, synthetic oil and specialized oil. This machine guard is provided to prevent the splashing of dielectric fluid outside or also as a safety to the operator. Here this table can move in X and Y direction by uh, lead screws are provided. One may see the DRO which show the movement of the machine in various directions. This is a column, and at the behind one may see the wire drum which continuously feed the small wire, and this wire also maintains tension in the wire and also ensure the continuous and control movement of the wire during the machining. So even the speed of this drum can be regulated as per the requirement. The control C. So wire cut EDM is also used for precise machining of the intricate shape in hard material like punch, die and tools. Here one may also adjust the diameter. See, this is the wire and the tension is ensured in the wire so that it could have the righteous movement, and this total head can be moved vertically up and down using a motor. This is the control panel, and it allows the operator to set adjust crucial parameter like voltage, current, wire tension and machining speed. And you may also see the movement of the wire in this, and it also show the various process parameter. As I mentioned, here emergency button is there, and it's also display the various process parameters. So now operator is setting the different process parameters. This is the workpiece, and now you may see the wire which is quite thin, and this liquid is called dielectric, which I have already spoken, which is deionized water. And this drum, the movement can be adjusted like we do in a milling machine. So stopper can be adjusted. As you see, this time it is moving from left to right, and as it touches at the center the movement will be reverse from right to left. It is moving quite lower speed. Okay, so now the movement will be from right to left. This is how we control the movement of the drum. Now process has started, and this is also used for high precision versatility material, and it causes minimum thermal stress, deliver fine surface finish, and it is used for the high hardness workpieces, and it is electric recirculation and filter system which ensure the movement of dielectric again and again. It consists of the filter, pump, and this is a tank, and this dielectric is filtered twice so that the debris generated during the machining can be keep on hold. So this is the complete system, and here there are filters which prevents filter out the debris which generated during the machining. This is, you may see the process. See, this is the filter. First dielectric will come over here, and from there it will go into another filter. You may see this is filter. This prevent the debris, and one has to clean it on regular basis. So this is brief about the wire cut EDM process. This is the pulse generator or the inverter which feed the pulse to operate machine. Thank you.